Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you a really simple low puff tutorial, so stay tuned to see how I created this dope look. I'm working on semi-stretched hair. Whenever I'm doing a puffed style, I like to work on hair that is either old from another style or somewhat stretched out. So this is day 7 of a braid out for me. And as you see, I'm pinning my hair back in the front where my bangs naturally lay so I can have it out of the way so I can get started on this style. In this water bottle, I just have water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I use this to refresh my hair often when I'm styling, and I'm just going to spray this at the roots of my hair, avoiding the ends. I want to reduce frizz as much as possible with this, so I'm just going to spray my roots. This first product we are using is the Eco Styler Gel with the argan oil added. I'm just going to spread this all around the perimeter of my hair. This is going to be the base to keep my hair nice and slick and sleek. Next, I'm going to use a medium bristle brush to slick my hair back to the base of my head and kind of mold it in the direction that I want my ponytail to lay. I'm using the Goody hair ties. I really like these because they don't pull out my hair and they give me really good hold whenever I'm using them for a puff style. So I'm just going to mold my hair back with my hands and try to get it as sleek as possible before getting this ponytail holder around. I know my thick hair girls know the struggle out here trying to get our hair sleek, and I know I'm not the only one who breaks ponytail holders. So I'm really going to try to get my hair sleek down and kind of as small as possible. Now that the puff is in place, we can get started on these bangs. I'm kind of just going through them and separating them and getting them to lay in the direction that I want them to be. I kind of want them off to the side, covering my eye a little bit, you know, a nice little swoop-de-whoop. But I'm just trying to get them to lay perfectly. Now this last step is my favorite. You get your pick or your wide tooth comb, whatever you like to use, and for love to the gods, honey. I absolutely love scrunchies. Like, I can't help it. I'm a 90s baby. So I'm dressing up this style with this really cute black scrunchie, and I'm just putting it around my ponytail and making it look extra cute. You know what I'm saying? And this is the finished style. You got a low puff with some bangs, and the scrunchie really kind of makes it look fun. You can do this up, you can dress it down, casual, date night, whatever. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. You better be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Share this with your friends and come back again.